Hey guys, y'all come on in here. Y'all are so amazing to me. Y'all are one of a kind. Babies, we're gonna make some quick shrimp. Quick shrimp, okay? This is a voiceover. And we're gonna use Old Bay seasoning. We're gonna use Bailey's Cajun seasoning, and we're gonna use a little bit of salt and black pepper and paprika. That's all we're using. It's gonna make it spectacular. And then we're gonna just put it in some flour. You can use flour or cornmeal, either or. I like it best in cornmeal, but we're using flour, and we're gonna use flour. And go ahead and let's go ahead and season it up with the flour, and then put it in the oil, and voila, this is what you have. And you can serve it up. We serving up with some rice, some hot banana pudding, and also some rice. And then we drizzle the old dirty grease on top of it. The way we were raised in the country, just the grease that you serve the shrimp in, fried the shrimp in, that's what you put over the rice. And that's what we did here. And it is absolutely a dish, a wonderful meal to eat. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. These seasoning that I'm using it's really good. Guys, you gotta try it for yourself. It's absolutely amazing, and it's all done in 20 minutes. Okay, so that's it right here. That's what I think that you would really enjoy tasting. Wonderful seafood. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs me out, share me out. Don't keep me to yourself. Please thumb me up. Please hit the bell. Please share me out. Please subscribe. I thank you so much for that in advance. Thank you for your kindness, and have a marvelous day.